If you care about your health and want to understand the real value of everyday foods, watch this carefully. Today, let's talk about something simple, something affordable, and something found in almost every kitchen: eggs, not as a controversial food, not as a diet trend, but as one of the most complete natural sources of nutrition. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein. In fact, they contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks the body needs to repair and maintain tissues. Protein supports muscle health, stable energy, and overall strength. Eggs are also a natural source of choline, a nutrient that supports brain function and memory. Choline plays an important role in communication between brain cells. Yet many people do not get enough of it in their daily diet. Another important benefit of eggs is their vitamin content. Eggs contain vitamins such as B12, D, and A. Vitamin D supports bone health and immune balance. Vitamin B12 supports nerve function and energy production. Eggs also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect eye health over time. Despite past concerns about cholesterol, current research suggests that for most healthy individuals, moderate egg consumption can be part of a balanced diet. The key is balance and preparation. Boiled, poached, or lightly cooked eggs are generally better options than heavily fried versions. Eggs do not promise dramatic transformation. Their strength lies in simplicity. 1 or 2 eggs as part of a balanced meal can provide steady nourishment for the body and mind. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones that have always been there. If you found this explanation helpful and you enjoy calm, science-based content about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.